How many Arabic alphabets?
29.
Good job. What is this first letter? Yes.
Alif.
Good job, Mubashira. What is the black one?
Ba.
How many dots?
1 dot.
What is the purple one?
Ta. Ta.
Yes, my princess. How many dots?
2 dots.
Wow. What is the red one?
Ta.
How many dots?
3 dots.
What is the black one?
G.
How many dots?
1 dot.
What is the purple one?
Ta.
How many dots? How many dots?
Dots.
Yes. What is the
Little
green one? How many dots?
1 dot.
Okay. What is this one? What is this one?
Ba.
Good, Mubashira. How many dots?
Look at dot.
Yes. What is this red one?
Za.
Zal. The last sound is al. Yeah. So this will be zal.
Zal.
Good. What is the green one?
Ra.
What is the black one?
Za.
Good job. Mashallah, Mubashira, you're reading so good, my love. What is the red one?
Sin.
What is the black one?
Shin.
What is the green one?
Forget it dot.
Oh, yeah.